Deploying applications to manage devices is an essential part of an administrator's tasks. Most people need apps to be productive, and it's never been simpler to get the right app to the right device. Let's learn how to deploy apps remotely in Elevate. To deploy App Store apps to all device types, we can use blueprints. A volume purchase token must be configured in Settings, which allows Elevate to query Apple Business Manager or Apple School Manager for a list of purchased App Store apps. Click Blueprints from the Elevate dashboard, then click Create Blueprint. Give the blueprint a name and a description. In the search field, enter the name of the app to deploy. For example, I'm entering Firefox. Elevate searches my available App Store apps to find any matches. Here, it found 2. At a glance, we can see details about each application, including the latest app version, size, and supported device types. We can also click the application to view additional details and to configure available settings. Click Add to add the app to the blueprint. Let's look for one more app. In the search field, I'm entering Pages. Notice that while Firefox is available for iOS and iPadOS, Pages is also available for macOS. We can use a single blueprint to deploy apps to all supported device types. Handy! If we don't need to view details or configure settings, simply drag the app from the Components library to Components in this blueprint. Then click Scope and select any groups that should receive the blueprint containing these apps. Click Save. Then when ready, click Deploy. Devices in Scope will install the included apps once they receive this blueprint. While most mobile device apps come from the App Store, not every app for macOS is available there. Using app installers in Elevate, we can deploy third-party macOS apps to managed computers, removing the need to package the software ourselves. In the Elevate sidebar, click Apps. Click Add App in the top right corner of the page. Scroll through the list of available apps, or use the search function to find the app to deploy. For example, I'm searching for Audacity. Click Add, then customize the deployment. Choose a group of computers to target. Select whether the app should install automatically or be made available in Self-Service Plus, and select how the app should handle updates when available. When ready, click Deploy to distribute the app to computers in scope. That's all there is to it. For more information about using these Elevate features, including requirements and app availability, check out the links in the resources. Thanks for watching.